In today's unpredictable world, being prepared for unexpected situations is paramount. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who values self-reliance, having the right survival gear and gadgets can make all the difference. So in this video, we'll showcase the 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets you should see. Imagine finding yourself in a dire situation where clean water is scarce and desperation pushes you to consider drinking from a murky puddle or contaminated water source. In such a moment, the LifeStraw Peak Series straw emerges as a life-saving companion. This remarkable filtration straw allows you to drink directly from lakes, rivers, and streams, or even fill a container to use on the go. One of the standout features of the LifeStraw Peak Series straw is its enhanced microfilter performance, which effectively reduces clogging from sand and silt, guaranteeing a better flow rate. Not only is this water filtration straw incredibly efficient, but it's also designed to be ultralight and durable, making it easy to pack and carry anywhere you go. This remarkable straw filter offers an impressive level of protection. It removes 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and impurities. Equip yourself with the LifeStraw Peak Series straw and take control of your hydration needs in even the most challenging environments. The Companion V2 is the ultimate solution in the face of a disastrous situation. In times of limited resources and urgent need, this backpack provides essential supplies to help you endure and overcome the challenges ahead. The Rhino Ready Companion is a 2-person, 72-hour emergency survival system packed with over 40 life-saving products. Designed to withstand any adversity, this backpack ensures that you are well equipped when it matters most. Let's take a look inside this remarkable survival kit. Stay connected with a 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight powered by crank or solar energy. Breathe easy with N95 masks and keep your vision clear with heat-reflective UV guard goggles. Equip yourself with a sturdy multi-tool 550 Paracord, full-tank blade, and fire starter, ensuring you have the necessary tools at your disposal. Stay hydrated with various options, including tablets, sachets, and a water bottle. When facing tough conditions, the Companion has you covered with additional features. Stay warm with 3 layers of protection, winterized work gloves, and hand warmers. The Rhino Ready Companion survival system combines unmatched quality with an ultra-compact design, seamlessly fitting into your daily life. Whether in your car, home, or office, this backpack is always ready at a moment's notice. The Work Tough Gear Elbrus knife steps in as an invaluable tool when you find yourself stranded in the wilderness after getting lost during a hiking trip. The Elbrus is a mid-sized, versatile, and multifunctional outdoor survival knife that proves its worth time and again. Its 6.7-inch blade, heat-treated to a precise 56-58 hardness level through a double tempering process. This ensures optimal strength, durability, and edge retention. Designed to excel as a camping and hunting knife as well as a combat tool, the Elbrus is a true multi-function companion. The knife boasts a 90-degree spine, making it highly efficient for striking a fire steel and igniting a fire. Whether you need to build a shelter, prepare food, or defend yourself, this knife is designed to meet the challenge of outdoor survival head-on. Its exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design make it a reliable and trustworthy companion in the harshest of environments. Introducing the Blackbeard Fire Starter, a must-have tool for wilderness survival. The Blackbeard Fire Starter is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. It is windproof, waterproof, and proudly made in the USA using the highest quality materials. No matter the weather conditions, be it rain, snow, or wind, the Blackbeard Fire Starter performs flawlessly, delivering a long-lasting and intense flame to ensure you have the fire you need when it matters most. Having a reliable source of hands-free illumination like the Pathfinder UL Scout headlamp can make all the difference in a survival scenario, providing crucial light in the darkness to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. With its white light, green light, and red light modes, this headlamp offers versatile lighting options to suit various situations. The white light mode provides a maximum brightness of 38 lumens, allowing for clear visibility and illumination for up to 20 hours. When you need a boost of intense light, the headlamp can produce up to 365 lumens for a duration of 40 minutes, providing you with ample illumination in critical situations. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, setting up camp, or performing intricate tasks in low light conditions, the Pathfinder UL Scout headlamp is your reliable companion. Its compact size, rechargeable battery, versatile lighting options, and convenient attachment options make it an essential tool for survival and outdoor adventures. In a dire situation, the storm survival whistle becomes a crucial life-saving tool, maximizing sound projection to attract attention and increase your chances of being heard and rescued. What sets the storm survival whistle apart is its patented resonance chamber, cleverly integrated into the design. This innovative feature focuses the sound like a laser beam, amplifying its intensity and creating an alarm that is twice as loud as any other whistle in existence. Remarkably, it can even function underwater, providing you with a reliable tool for signaling in various circumstances. Invest in your safety and increase your chances of survival with the Storm Survival Whistle. With its unmatched loudness, durability, and all-environment functionality, this whistle empowers you to overcome the challenges of dire situations, providing you with a lifeline and a beacon of hope in times of crisis. When you find yourself stranded in a remote wilderness, far from civilization and devoid of the resources necessary for survival, the ability to start a fire becomes paramount. Picture a scenario where the sun has set, temperatures drop, and darkness envelops the surrounding. In this dire situation, having the Zippo Surefire Paracord, a remarkable fire-starting paracord, can significantly enhance your chances of creating a vital fire and ensuring your well-being. The Zippo Surefire Paracord is no ordinary cord. It combines the strength and versatility of a 550-pound tensile strength cord with the reliability of a built-in fire starter. What sets this paracord apart is the red fire starter strand that runs through its core. This strand is especially paraffin-coated and engineered to ignite with a spark, enabling you to effortlessly start a fire when you need it most. Beyond its fire-starting capabilities, this durable cord serves a multitude of purposes. You can use it as a clothesline, tie-down, bootlace, zipper pull, or countless other ways to assist you in various survival tasks. With the Zippo Surefire Paracord, you have a reliable lifeline that helps sustain you, provide warmth, and give you the vital resources needed to survive and thrive in the wilderness. So that was our video on the 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets you should see. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.